welcome to Miss Carter's classroom. Today we're going to be doing some maths learning and we're going to be working with the number 5. But before that we're going to warm up our brains. A bit like when you do PE, you need to warm up your body. It's a really good idea to do that with your brain. Okay, so what we're going to do is count all the way up to 20, but we're going to see if we can use our fingers as well as counting. Okay, so get your hands like this or like this and see if you can count with me and get all the way to 20. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Excellent. Okay, should we start? Now, like I said, we're going to be using the number 5 today. Okay, let's just double check I've got 5 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, a really good idea is for you to also have something to use. So, if you want to pause this video in a second and go and get some things that you can use to help you, that's a really good idea. Maybe if you've got some cubes, you can use those, or even some Lego or Duplo, or even just some teddies. Whatever you can find, maybe go and pause the video, go and get it, and then come back in a second, okay? All right, let's carry on. So, now that you've got 5 objects, we're going to see if we can make as many number sentences as we can, okay? But to make a number sentence, we need to have a symbol. We might have adding, we might have taking away, we might have times, or we might have divide. And today we're going to do adding. Can you do the adding symbol with your body? So get your arm like this, and then get your other arm and make a big cross, just like that. And to help us remember, I'm going to do it on the board. If you've got some paper and a pen with you, that's fantastic. See if you can make that symbol, okay? You need to do a straight line down, take your pen off, and do a straight line across. It's quite tricky actually. Okay, so I think I might be ready. What I'm going to do is split this group of 5 into 2, okay? And see if we can make a number sentence. So I'm going to get my karate hand and I'm going to chop it just here. Okay. Just so you can see a little bit better, I'm going to draw a line. All right, have a little look. How many do I have here? Just 1. Excellent. Okay. Oh, before I count, what are we doing? We're doing adding. Okay. How many do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Super. What's this symbol here? It's equals. Okay. Now, have I added more spots? Have I got more and put them on? No. Have I taken any away? No. So how many do I know I've got without even counting? 5. That's right. Well done. Let's see if you can read out our number sentence. Ready? 1 plus 4 equals 5. Excellent. Okay. I think I can do a few more. Let's rub that one out. Let's get my karate hand ready. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Can you have a go at making that one while I get ready with your objects? There you go. Okay. Let's count how many I've got here. That's right, I've got 2. What are we doing? We're doing adding or plus. There we go. And how many do I have here? 1, 2, 3. Can you check yours as well? Very good. Equals. Once again, have I added any more or taken any away? I have not. So I know that I have got 5. Let's read our number sentence again. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Excellent. Okay, now I'm going to do something else, and I want to see if you can notice anything when I do it. Now I've got another group. 1, 2, 3. Okay, can you do the same? How many in this on this side? 2 equals, of course, it's 5. Okay, have a look at these two, and what do you notice? Yeah, they're backwards, but the answer is always the same. And that's the great thing about adding, is we can change the groups, but the total, or the answer, is still the same. So that's why you can have 2 plus 3 equals 5, and you can also have 3 plus 2 equals 5. So let's go back to our first one. Do you think you can make another number sentence by swapping those two groups around? Have a go with your objects while I do it on the board. Okay. Check your work with me and see if you got it right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to try and squeeze it in. 4 plus 1, very good, equals 5. Wow. There, I'm almost finished. However, there are 2 sneaky little number sentences left, and they're pretty tricky. I wonder if you can work it out while I get my board ready. See if you can find 2 more number sentences that we haven't done yet. Okay. Do you think you've got it? Let's see what I've done here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus something, I'm not quite sure yet, equals 5. Have I got anything here to add? No. So what am I going to write? Let's write a 0. Oh, let's have a go at reading this one together. 5 plus 0 equals 5. Well done if you got that right. Now for the extra challenge, can you try and swap them around? So, well, maybe I start with 0 this time. 0 plus 5 equals 5. Wow. And there we go. You have managed to find all of the number sentences that make number 5. That's fantastic. Well done. Now you can stop the video there, or if you want to carry on with me, we're going to see if we can use our hands and even some Numicon to see if we can make all of these number sentences. Okay? So feel free to stop if you want, or stick with me to have a go. Alright, so maybe let's look at the first one we've got here. We know we've got 5, so show me 5. Let's see if we can make it using our fingers. So get your karate hand and see if you can split your fingers into 1 plus 4. If you need to check, you can tap your fingers on your nose as you count to remind yourself, or you can just look and work out you've got 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Excellent. Have a go at number 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Or use your nose and split. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Should we have a go at this one? Okay, 2. Let's get your 5 fingers ready. See if you can make a group of 2. Okay. 2 plus 3 makes 5. Let's let's have a go at the next one here. Show me 5. Can you make a group of 3? Show me 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now we've got to our tricky ones, but they're really easy on your hand, so that's good. Ready? Show me 5. 5 plus 0, that's nothing. You've already got 5. So there you go. 5 plus 0 equals 5. And our last one, show me 0 fingers, or no fingers, good. 0 plus 5 equals 5. Amazing. That's fantastic. So that's another way that you can find number bonds using your fingers. And there is another way. Does anyone know what these are? You might have used them a bit at school, but if you're new and you've not seen these before, these are called Numicon, and they're really handy for doing lots and lots of maths problems. Okay, so you can see this one is number 1 because it's got one hole in it. What do you think this one might be then? 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, we are working with 5 today, so I'm going to keep my 5 here. And I'm going to have a go at making my number sentence here. So what number do you think I need first? Number 1. Oh. And I'm going to stick it right at the top, on top of my 5. And then I can just see, without using my hands, just using my eyes and my brain, I can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces left. It's always a good idea to check. It's a bit like a jigsaw. Put it on. Okay, then it fits. So I know that 1 plus 4 equals 5. Should we try another one? Just pop that one back. Okay, let's try this one here. 2. So you grab your number 2 piece. I think I'm going to put it at the bottom. Then I can clearly see how many do I need. 3. It's always a good idea to check. It doesn't quite fit that way, so you might need to turn it so it fits nicely to check. There we go. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Very good. So that's how we use Numicon to work out some number sentences, and we'll probably be using that quite a lot in the next few days. So if you do have some, fantastic, but don't worry because I'll be doing it here and using my fingers and using a number line and even using some objects as well. So well done for having a super lesson. I hope to see you again this week, and we'll be doing lots and lots more maths.